Do you wish to use YouTube as a standalone application on your Windows PC without web browser? Let me show you how to install it. As on February 2025, you can install YouTube only from Microsoft Edge browser. So if you have uninstalled this browser, in some reason, go to Microsoft Store and search for Edge browser. Install this application back again. Then you can find this browser in your start menu. So open Microsoft Edge and go to youtube.com. And then just click on these three dots at the top right or hit Alt F. Now hover on Apps and click on Install YouTube. Once again, click on Install. Now you can pin to taskbar, pin to start, and click on Allow. Click on Yes over here if you wish to pin YouTube. And that's it. Now you can watch videos, sign in, and use the application. So enjoy. That's it. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.